Hey there, welcome to the course and let's learn how to construct polynomial in MATLAB. All of us know that polynomials are a mathematical expression which has variable and coefficients, and it involves operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and non-negative integer exponents of the variable. For example, here 3x squared plus 2x plus 1 is a polynomial equation, and x here are variable, we can call it as also indeterminate, and 3 2 and 1 is are basically coefficients, and we can have one variable or we can have more than two variables. For example, here x, y and z are variable of this polynomial equations, and 10 2 and 1s are its coefficients. Now let us try to solve this polynomial equation for this x variable from which starts from a value from -1 to 1 and in step of 1, which means that the value of this x variable will increase by 0.1 from -1. For example, here it will be 0.1, next value will be 0.9, next value will be -0.8, and like that up to 1. So simplify this equation. Let's assign value of let's assign a variable f to this part. X plus 12 will be f is equal to x plus 12, and let's assign a value of g to this part. So it will be x cubed, x raised to the power 4 plus 1 will be g. So by that it will, this equation will become y is equal to f cube times g. Let's try to solve this one in MATLAB. Now let us try to generate this x row vector, which will have a value which start from -1 and it increase by value of 0.1 and it goes up to 1. So for that we know we have to use this command -1 colon 0.1 colon 1. It will generate a row vector from -1 to 1 with the step of 0.1, and we know we have assigned f is equal to x plus 12 and g is equal to x raised to the power 4 plus 1. So it's most important things here to remember that we want that each term in this vector should increase its power by 4 and then 1 should get added to it. So, and that's why we should put a dot in front of this. So dot will perform the operation term by term. Similarly, we know that y is equal to f raised to the power 3 times g, and here also we want each term of this f should increase power by 3 and then it should get multiplied with corresponding term in g, and that's why we should put dot here and also dot here to avoid confusion. Let's put these values, this f value in bracket. So what here it will do is it will increase this f power by 3, is x plus 12 raised to the power 3, and then it will get multiplied with corresponding g terms, corresponding g value, and if we enter it we will get this value. Now let us try to solve this equation and write a code for this. So I can remove this screen. I can clear the screen and delete all previous command by using this command clear all and CLC if I want to delete the things from command window. And now let's write this equation. We want to solve this one. For x values we start from 1 to 3 in step of 0.01. So we'll write a command x is equal to 1 colon 0.01 colon 3, and this will generate a row vector which start from 1 to 3 in the step of 0.1. And let's try to write this equation. So I have written this formula in MATLAB, and see this thing, I have used a dot matrix everywhere so that the each operation should perform term by term, and when we enter we will get values of y for each term. So this is very important, and in next lecture we will learn about polyval command. Thank you. Please subscribe to